Hello students, in this video we are going to learn about Newton's universal law of gravitation. Newton's universal law of gravitation. Okay. Before that, I have to tell about what is Newton's universal law of gravitation. Every particle of matter in this universe attracts every other particle with a force. Every particle of matter in this universe attracts every other particles with a force. This force is directly proportional to the product of their masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between the centers of these masses. I repeat, every particle of matter in this universe attracts every other particles with a force. This force directly proportional to the product of their masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between the centers of these masses. Let me explain in this derivation. See students, here I have taken two bodies. The first one is A, second one is B. So A body has m1 mass, B body has m2 mass. See, these two body is going to attract each other with a force. Okay, and according to the definition, see, this is the distance between the center of the two masses. This is the distance between the center of the two masses. It is denoted by r, which means A and B placed r meter apart in the space, and m1 m2 are the masses of the two bodies. Okay, so dear children, please remember the definition. What is that first point of the definition? Every particle of matter in the universe attract every other particle with a force. Okay, so this force is directly proportional to the product of their masses. What are the product of the masses? m1 and m2. So the force is directly proportional to its masses m1 and m2. So keep this one equation number 1. Next, what is that? At the same time, the force is inversely proportional to the square of the distance between the center of these masses. Okay, what is the distance? Distance is taken as r. So square means we can write as r squared. Okay, which means root r we can write as r squared. Okay, and this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. And combining these two expression, equation 1 and equation 2, we will get, see here, F is common, F, and directly proportional to mass m1 and m2, and inversely proportional to, it is, what is that, masses distance r squared. Okay, then to remove this proportionality constant, sorry, proportionality, we are adding one constant. That constant is known as universal gravitational constant. It is denoted by G. So to remove this proportionality, we are adding G constant. G means, what is that student? Universal gravitational constant, and its value is 6.674 into 10 power minus 11. Please remember this value student. They will ask in one word, 6.674 into 10 power minus 11. Is it clear? So this is the derivation for Newton's universal law of gravitation, and its unit is Newton meter squared kg minus power minus 2. Thank you student.